Action.
Why is it humor for me?
Tell about the picture. What's it a picture of?
I can. Just a can.
What colors did you use?
Yellow.
And what else?
And blue, purple, and yellow, and blue, and pink, and pink.
Did you like making the picture?
Yes, I did.
What does the picture make you think of?
Crayon. No, never. It's that. A ghost. A berry ghost. And he's my cake ghost. A cake ghost. Oh, I don't be cake ghost. That's my favorite kind. Color a cake. I color cake. I didn't make the plate. Awkward.
Are you showing that? What is that?
A Band-Aid for a Froggy.
A Band-Aid for your froggy?
Yeah, but you can't get that in her mouth. But it's going to choke.
That's your frog? Let me see the frog. Oh, the frog's going to get your drawing?
Bad Froggy.
Okay, can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.